welcome to Expert ACM Supply Chain and Allied Domain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us see a term called ordering cost. Ordering costs are the expenses incurred to create and process an order to the supplier. These costs are included in the determination of economic order quantity for an inventory item. Examples of ordering costs are like cost to prepare a purchase requisition, cost to prepare a purchase order, cost of labor required to inspect the goods when they are received, cost to put away goods once they have been received. Also, cost to process the supplier invoice related to an order, cost to prepare and issue payment to the supplier. How ordering costs change with the volume? There will be an ordering cost of some size no matter how small an order may be. The total amount of ordering cost that a business incurs will increase with the number of orders placed. This aggregate order cost may be mitigated by placing large blanket order that cover long periods of time and then issuing order releases against blanket order. How ordering cost relate to inventory carrying cost is one more question. An entity may be willing to tolerate high aggregate ordering cost if the result is a reduction in its total inventory carrying cost. This relationship occurs when a business orders raw material and merchandise only as needed so that more orders are placed but there is little inventory kept in hand. Thanks for watching. Bye.